this enol reaction. So we have Savlon and enol. Now do you want to see what would happen? Yes or no? Oh yes! So now I will show you. So let's get started. So I measured Savlon in this test tube. So you have to add in 50 ml. Like see, I have added in 50 ml. So I would now hold it. Now, once I have poured it, so now I would add enol. Now 1 minute, see the foam. So you have to see. Yay! The foam came out! The foam came out! Yippee! I am really excited seeing the foam! Yippee! Hooray! Hooray! So, how I have done it? Because Savlon contains chlorhexidine gluconate and it's a cetramide solution. And then enol contains magnesium acid. So where the chlorhexidine gluconate cetramide solution mixes with the magnesium and acid, it will react and it presents a form like this. But we use Savlon for cuts and the enol for stomach ache.
Subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our channel. Subscribe.